After seeding the grassless lawn and watering it for more than a week this spring, my wife and I still saw no signs of grass. After this frustrating experience, we spent some time to understand grass growth and lawn care. As you can see, learning the rudiments of gardening is important. By growing a grapevine as an example, Jesus Christ teaches his followers spiritual formation. A believer must remain in Jesus Christ all the time. There are at least 3 things that we must bear in mind. First, one must accept Jesus as Saviour. Second, one must keep on believing. Third, one must keep on obeying Jesus. Let's ponder the spiritual formation according to Jesus Christ. I am the true vine and my Father is the gardener. He takes away every branch that does not bear fruit in me. He prunes every branch that bears fruit so that it will bear more fruit. You are clean already because of the word that I have spoken to you. Remain in me and I will remain in you. Just as the branch cannot bear fruit by itself unless it remains in the vine, so neither can you unless you remain in me. I am the vine, you are the branches. The one who remains in me and I in him bears much fruit, because apart from me you can accomplish nothing. Let's pose a question to God. Dear Jesus, could you teach me how to remain in you? Let's practice what you learned. Pray that you will continue to grow in Jesus Christ. Let's proclaim to others about your experiential knowledge. After a small group meeting, bring up the topic of spiritual formation.